Hello and welcome back to Grafted.Branch.Ministry. As always, Scotty Erb here. Going to be exposing a few heretics of a Assembly of God church here. As you see, they even have a Cathedral Assembly of God. They're Protestants, absolutely, against the Catholic Church, but they still hold to a cathedral. Playing some pretty blasphemous music with a modern country twang. Just roll down the window. Can you hear that? They still have lyrics of a knowable hymn, but with drums and all to modern music. Don't be given to change. Proverbs 24, verse 21. Please open up a King James Bible. My son, fear thou the Lord and the King, and meddle not with them that are given to change. But this is what people are turning, praising the Lord into. Then also, if you would, go to Titus chapter 1. Titus chapter 1, verse 10. For there are many unruly and vain talkers and deceivers, especially they of the circumcision. Of a religious crowd, they want you to follow a certain ordinance and go to their building. Verse 11. Whose mouths must be stopped, who subvert whole houses, teaching things which they ought not, for filthy lucre's sake. Now remember that part in Titus chapter 1, verse 11, at the end of it, for filthy lucre's sake. Now I'm going to walk this over. Let's go and take a look. They're taking donations from the heathen. I'm actually going to take over my scripture in case if this guy wants to try and say something. As we walk across, you see this blasphemous. Free prayer offered, free booklets, free CD, free Bibles. And you're taking offerings from heathens.
Hey, we don't have nothing to say to you. You post up.
You want to talk about some scripture here?
I know. We're okay. We don't need nothing from you, brother.
Do you have a 501c3?
Huh?
A 501c3. Are you part of a tax exemption?
Oh, yes, sir.
You're part of a tax exemption?
Oh, sure.
With a 501c3? Giving unto Caesar what is Jesus's?
Go ahead, brother. Go ahead and go get in your truck. We're through with you. We don't have nothing to say to you.
What? I mean, don't you want to talk about scripture? We're supposed to convince the gainsayers. For filthy lucre's sake, you guys are out here.